Hello friends, in the part 7 we will see how to create the surfaces. I am going to create one curve. (200 by 100). One rectangle I have created. Okay. Now we know these options: extrude, revolve, sweep. These things we have used in the solid modeling. See, just by picking the curve, give the extrude. See, this is the solid modeling. If we want to create, we have to change the icon. See, this is the solid. To create surface, just we have to pick this one. See? All other things are same. All the options, placement, everything is same. In the option, we have one more thing is there, capped ends. If we want to get the closed surface, we have to pick this one. See, we are getting the closed one. If we want to add taper on all four sides, we can add the taper by giving 10 degree. If you want to change the angle minus, see, we can get the draft. In this way we can create the surfaces. See, we have created one closed surface. Now if we want to convert this surface into a solid, means just pick this surface. Here one solidify option is there. By picking this, this is the solid. Give OK. Now we have converted that surface into a solid. If we want to convert surfaces into a solid, means surface must be a closed loop. If any open on surface, we cannot convert into solid. Okay. Now we know how to create surface using these options. One more extra option is there. That one is the fill. Just creating a flat wall, that is called fill. See, by picking the sketch, pick the fill. See, we are getting just flat surface we received. Okay. Now we have seen flat. Next one is the boundary. I am deleting this sketch, not required now. By using boundary means we need 4 boundaries. If we want to create one rectangular surface, means we need 2 boundary for length and 2 boundary for width. 4 curves we need. I am creating 4 curves and creating this one. I am going to create curve using these points. I am creating first one is 0, second in the Z direction 50, the third point in the Z direction 100, the fourth one X 50, Z 100, X 100, Z 100, fifth point X 100, Z 50 point, X 100, Z 0, seventh point, X 50, remaining are 0. Okay, we will check how it is created. See, just like a rectangle or square, I have created the points. Now we are going to create curve using these points. Datum curve through points. First this one, second one, third one. Using spline I am created this spline. If you want to make straight line, we can do this. First curve I have created. I am going for the second curve. This point and this point. Go OK. Then third curve, 1, 2, 3, OK. Fourth curve, this one, this one, this one. Now we have created 4 boundaries. Now I am creating boundary blend. See, there are 2 directions are there, first direction and second direction. In the first direction we have to pick this by picking the control the second curve. Okay. In the second direction we have to pick this one by pressing the control the next one. Now we have created the surface. Give OK. Through the boundary blend we have created this surface. This type of square or rectangular surface we can create by using this option, or fill option also we can use. Why I used these points mean we can modify. See, now I am modifying the points. I am going to this midpoint to lift upwards and this midpoint to downwards. See, the point 1 I am going to move upwards. Point 1 in the y direction I am giving 25. Similarly, in the point 5 I am going to bring down minus 25. Q OK. Now see, I moved this point up and this point down. How it is changed? We cannot create these type of curves by using any of this method or fill. So if we want to create this type of 3-dimensional varying surface needed to create, means we have to use these boundary blend options. Now OK. Earlier we have seen converting surface into solid. By using these surfaces we can create cut also, material removal also we can do. I am creating one extrude, placement, define, sketch view. I am creating one rectangle. Both sides, this side 50. If we want to create cut using the surface, means the surface must come out from solid, entirely come out from solid. It should not be partially come out from solid, or if any open on the surface we cannot remove the material. So it should be completely cut the solid. See, simply select the surface, go to solidify. Earlier we have seen creating the solid. Now we have the option to remove the solid. See, we can, using the surface we can remove the material. Either this side we need the material or that side we need the material. In this way we can cut the material using the surface. Now we have seen how to create a flat and how to create boundary. Copy we can see now. Okay. Copy means existing, we can create the surface by copying the solid surfaces. I am creating one extrude. Okay. I want to copy one or more surfaces from this body, means we cannot get the copy option here. We have to go legacy. Just pick, we will get this tool. Pick the surface option, pick new. Here copy is there. Copy, Q, done. Now what are all the surfaces we needed to copy from this solid? We have to pick by pressing the control. Now I have selected these three surfaces. Okay, preview, view, okay. See, now we copied these surfaces. If we come out from this, once again type legacy, pick, we can come out. In this way we can copy the surfaces from solid body. Now we have completed flat boundary copy. Solidify, solid creation and removal using closed surfaces. These things we have completed. Thank you.